What up, guys? I'm your man Grizzle. Welcome to another episode of Gamers Who Don't Know Shit. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a fog light on your 07 Tundra. All cars have the same type of turnkey light bulbs, so this should pretty much work on any light that you have to replace. So if you don't know how to do that, this video is for you. Alright, the first thing you want to do is take these little mud flap screw bolts off. There's only two of them back here. Then you pop this off right here. Alright guys, once you get in there, just push this tab, pull the connector out, and twist your light out. Just like that. 90% of cars, lights, headlights, tail lights, turn signals, they all have a slot turn just like that. Alright, here's your new light bulb. Go ahead and fit it in there. Give it a little quarter turn. Reconnect your light connector just like that. And now your light bulb should work. Go inside and test it before you put everything back. Alright, now just go ahead and put your flat back on here. Push your pins back into place. Just like so. Here's your mud flap. Screw those in. Alright guys, that's how it's done. Let me know down in the comments if you had any problems with any of your lights. Don't matter which kind. I'll try to do my best. But don't forget to like my shit. Comment, subscribe. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.